live in the world of instant gratification. Our DevOps engineers are under immense pressure to get the latest features out quickly. Let's see if microservices can help. I'm Monica Tamboli. I have 25 years of experience in technology as well as family life. Today's talk is inspired by the intersection of both. So let's start with a true story. Mom is flying overseas. She's on vacation, and she gets a call. Mom, how do I warm my food? So this inspired me to raise my kids as microservices. So let's look at our traditional tightly coupled family. It works great, but it has some challenges as seen there. Over a period of many decades, we have seen transformation, modernization of our families, where mom took a job, dad helped, and kids helped with household chores. And this has resulted in many benefits. Overall, where families are more flexible, independent, and resilient. So today we are going to see if we can modernize our applications, both driving for more efficiency and harmony. So today we'll drive parallels between application architecture as well as families, family architecture, monolithic as our traditional family, and microservices as our modern family. So monolith means large single block of stone. In terms of application, it means where all your modules are developed and deployed together. They work great. Monoliths work great, but they are easier to manage because everything is deployed together, no fear of network latency and fewer security concerns because everything is deployed together. It does have its challenges. Let's say, what if you have to make a small code change? Still, all the modules need to be built, tested, and then deployed. Also, if you are scaling, you have to scale the whole application. This brings us to microservices, where everything is divided into small microservices. So here, if you have to make a change, you just need to test and redeploy only single service. And scaling is easier. They don't come without any challenges. They have their own problems, especially because you have to think about communication between these services, which can cause more network latency and some security considerations. Let's take an example of Acme Air application, and we will see how it can be implemented as both monolith as well as microservices for its business functions. Let's first look at monolithic implementation of this application. Here you see all the modules are deployed together. Now if you are seeing bottleneck in booking, but you really have to scale the whole application, all the modules, causing more cost for your infrastructure. Let's look at microservices. Here, if booking is having bottleneck, you can just scale this particular service there. So as you saw, microservices have their advantages, but you need to design them appropriately. How big or how small you want to go, whether you want to have them in a single repo or have in different repos. Also, how are they going to talk to each other? So if the question is how you are looking at breaking your monolith into microservices, especially if you're thinking about moving to cloud, there are choices. One of the tools is AI-based tool called Mono to Micro. This tool helps to break, analyze, and recommend microservices in such a way to ensure that these microservices are not chatty and they are decoupled. So in summary, yes, microservices can help you get your functions out quickly, but they are not ideal for all situations. Like smaller teams, it may cause more overhead. So I will leave with this thought that don't modernize your families or your applications just because others are doing. Mindfully architect your applications as well as your family. Thank you.